Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to make a real fast throw-together recipe called Forgotten Chicken. For that I'm going to need about 2 cups of dried rice, 2 tablespoons of butter, a package of chicken breast, I've selected thin sliced ones, a can or container of mushroom soup, a can of cream of herbs, a packet of onion soup mix, and about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. There's also going to be a can of water, which I'll be using my soup can to fill up. And this will be a quite easy throw together and go recipe. First, I've melted the butter by putting it in the bottom of the pan. Make sure that covers edges and all the bottom. Next, I'll be throwing in the rice. I use 2 packages of dried. Next, we will add in the mushroom soup. The chicken soup. I'm going to give these 2 soups and the rice a good stir on the bottom. I'm going to put in a can of water. Give that another more careful quick stir. And then I'll be laying the chicken breast on top. Now the oven has been heating up to 350. Last but not least step is to sprinkle the soup mix pretty evenly over the top. And that 1.5 cups of cheese that you shredded up. And this will go into that 350 oven for the next hour to hour and 10 minutes. And about an hour later, I didn't need those extra 15 minutes or so. It is melty, gooey, and amazing looking. And now, I'm going to let it set a moment and we can try it on. Alright, I've dished some up and already cut into it a little. And it's cooked perfectly. And we're just going to have to get a little bite of everything. And try it on out. This turned out to be a perfect little throw together and eat it dish because there wasn't much behind it. The rice is cooked perfectly. It's nice and moist with both cans of soup and the water in it. The chicken is cooked perfectly. It's not too dry. And the flavors are amazing in it. So, you know the drill. Like what you saw, don't like what you saw, have some thoughts. You know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. Try it on out yourself. And I will see you in our next one.